What is going on, guys? It is Acid McMillan here, and today I want to speak on a little bit of something like my Mustang LT25 not connecting to my PC. I did find out I did find out the issue. I was using other cords and stuff, so um, I just wanted to bring to you guys' attention that like other people are having this other problem. I found this out on Reddit. Some guy on here of by this guy right here. So like, hey, indeed, I did so. So the guy was asking, did anybody find a solution? This guy said, I did indeed. So the type of cord I was trying to use was strictly a power cord. It was only transferred power for where it was plugged into. So basically, they were saying that like turns out not all USB cables are the same, and some are only for power charging, and they just don't transfer any data. And I think it's just some of them are just really old models. I think that's kind of why. But I'm not the smartest guy in the world, so um. Anyways, don't assume all cables will work. Look for ones that say data or sync when buying, so just keep that in mind. And I say that between the price range for these guys is kinda hefty, kinda, I would say, because of the price, and it's just the cord. You probably find it cheaper at Best Buy, I would say, or another electronic store. I haven't tried any cords because I've strictly tried this cord instead, my Logitech. um so I just like tried two chords. First one didn't work, second one didn't respond at all, and then the third one I tried the Logitech, my gaming mouse charging, and so I plugged it in. It just synced right away, and I'm just like, okay, well, what the hell? I just It's just really weird how it works. But hopefully this helped anyone. Also, if it helped you, let me know down in the comment section below. Please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you.